welcome to the spoiler zone. Today, we are diving deep into the cinematic brilliance of Rang De Basanti, a film that not only entertains but also ignites a sense of purpose. Imagine stumbling upon a dusty old diary that whispers tales of revolution, sacrifice, and courage from a bygone era. This is where our story begins, with a struggling British filmmaker named Sue McKinley, portrayed by Elise Patton. Sue discovers her grandfather's diary, chronicling his encounters with India's fiery freedom fighters during the colonial era. Inspired and determined, Sue embarks on a journey to India, fueled by a vision to immortalize these revolutionaries on film. Landing in vibrant Delhi, Sue is aided by her friend Sonia, played by Soha Ali Khan. Together, they cast four unsuspecting university friends: DJ, Amir Khan, Karan, Siddharth Narayan, Aslam, Kunal Kapoor, and Sukhi, Sharman Joshi. These carefree youths, initially more concerned with their own lives and personal dramas, find themselves reluctantly dragged into Sue's ambitious project. Completing the ensemble is Lakshman Pandey, Atul Kulkarni, a fervent political activist whose anti-Muslim stance creates tension, especially with Aslam. As filming progresses, these modern-day students begin to embody the spirits of Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Ashfaqullah Khan, and Ram Prasad Bismil. The transformation is subtle yet profound. Through the lens of their characters, they confront not just the past but also the pressing injustices of their own world. It's here that Rang De Basanti transcends being a mere film. It becomes a bridge connecting history to the present, urging its audience to reflect on their own roles in society. The narrative takes a heart-wrenching turn with the tragic death of Ajay Rathod, R. Madhavan, a promising Air Force pilot and Sonia's fiancé. His fatal crash, attributed to faulty MiG-21 aircraft parts procured through corrupt deals, sparks a fervor among the friends. The revelation that the defense minister, Mohan Agashe, and Karan's father, Anupam Kher, are complicit in this corruption catalyzes their descent from passive participants in a film to active agents of change. Fueled by a mixture of grief, rage, and a newfound revolutionary zeal, the friends orchestrate a daring act of vengeance. They assassinate the defense minister and Karan's father, actions that echo the fervent sacrifices of the freedom fighters they were portraying. Yet, in the eyes of the world, they become labeled as terrorists, their motives obscured by the veil of violence. In their final act of defiance, they seize a radio station, aiming to broadcast their truth to the nation. Here, the film crescendos into a dramatic and poignant climax. DJ, Karan, Aslam, Sukhi, and Lakshman, once ordinary youths, now stand as martyrs for a cause, their lives a testament to the transformative power of conviction. The police storm the station, and one by one, our heroes fall. Their laughter, echoing through the airwaves, lingers as a haunting yet uplifting refrain, an indelible mark of their sacrifice and the ideals they stood for. Rang De Basanti concludes with a melancholic yet hopeful vision. Sue and Sonia watch from a rooftop, imagining their friends running through fields, their spirits unbroken and jubilant. This imagery encapsulates the film's core message that the vitality of youth and the spirit of revolution can never truly be extinguished. As they celebrate life, the film urges us to remember that every generation has its own battles to fight, and sometimes it takes a spark from the past to illuminate the path forward. In essence, Rang De Basanti isn't just a film, it's a call to action. It blends the personal with the political, the past with the present, crafting a narrative that resonates deeply and lingers long after the credits roll. For those seeking a story that challenges, inspires, and compels introspection, this film is a must-watch. Join us next time in the spoiler zone, where we unravel more cinematic treasures. Until then, keep questioning, keep dreaming, and above all, Keep watching.